Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by fixing what recruiters see first. Upload a clear headshot and change your headline to a concise value statement that includes your role and one measurable skill. Next, edit the About section. Begin with a one-sentence hook, then 2 brief paragraphs that explain how you solve problems and what you want next. Once done, save these core elements so your profile already tells a coherent story before we move deeper into experience and proof. Now you'll flesh out roles with achievement-focused copy. For each job, replace duties with 3 to 5 bullet points that start with strong verbs and include numbers or timeframes to show impact. Attach 1 or 2 portfolio items or PDFs to validate claims. Make sure files are compressed and named clearly. Then curate skills. Keep your top 10 and pin the 3 that match your desired job. Make these changes to make your story both credible and scannable. Finish by customizing your public profile URL and adding it to your resume and email signature so opportunities find you. Then reach out. Send 10 personalized connection messages to relevant contacts and follow 5 target companies to trigger algorithm visibility. Once done, review privacy and visibility settings to ensure sections are public. If your edits don't appear, clear browser cache, log out and back in, and recheck visibility toggle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.